Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the fundamentals. Open your phone camera and a different video app to confirm the hardware functions. Once done, go straight to Settings, find OMTV under Apps, then Permissions and enable camera access. This tells the OS which apps may use the lens. If permissions were already set, toggle them off then on to force a reset. Make sure to restart the device after changing permissions so the system reloads app privileges and drivers. Next, address software conflicts. Update OMTV to the latest version or reinstall it to replace corrupted files. Then clear the app cache, and if problems persist, clear storage data. Note this may reset settings. Make sure your OS is up to date so camera drivers and permissions match the app's requirements. Also free up memory by closing other apps. Insufficient RAM or a background process can lock the camera. These steps resolve most app-level and system-level resource clashes. Finally, try advanced troubleshooting. Open OMTV and toggle between front and back cameras, or test with an external camera app to isolate whether the problem is app-specific. If nothing works and you've ruled out hardware, back up your data and consider a factory reset as a last resort because it clears deep software corruption. If the camera still won't work for OMTV, contact OMTV support and include details: device model, OS version, app version, and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.